Alright guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason. I am a coach. I help people to increase their focus and time by taking control and full advantage of their environment. So today I'm going to be talking about the 21st strategy in the guidebook that I've created for you guys. It's completely free. You can actually check it out in the link down below. And it has 25 of my favorite and most used strategies that I've used to optimize my workspace so that I am working with my environment and not against it. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out first before you watch these videos. And if you have any questions or you want to learn more about and get deep into each strategy, this video will be for you. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. All right, let your eyes rest. So one big component that I always talk about in my approach to workspace optimization is that your body has physical needs, and with like improving your workspace ergonomics and also listening to and tuning into the right frequencies for your brain to be in a more calm state of mind, your body naturally has physical needs. And if you go against it, you're only going to face the consequences in the long run. So in order to address this and to really help take full advantage of it, I wanted to explain this more in detail. Like I said, the goal here is to really optimize your body so that you're able to then focus and have enough clarity and focus to get to work and to accomplish and produce high quality work. So what I recommend is to download this app called Flux. Flux is a blue light blocking app, and what blue light is it's the natural light that comes from your screen that actually disrupts the chemicals in your body and your brain that produce the chemicals that help you to fall asleep and to get a good night's rest, basically. Flux is going to basically cut out a lot of the blue light, but you can also turn on the option to remove all blue light from the screen so that your eyes will be protected. That said, you can go ahead and change, once you download it, it's completely free by the way, you can change the settings in the app once you've downloaded it so that it fits your needs and your lifestyle. So go ahead and first download this app and see how it changes your sleep and your performance throughout the day. So what do you get from downloading this app? Well, first of all, like I said, if you have blue light coming through your screen and you're looking at it, especially in the evening time before you go to sleep, it's going to affect your eyes, and if it affects your eyes, it's going to affect your brain. And if it affects your brain, it's going to affect your sleep. And if it affects your sleep, it's going to affect your overall mood the next day and the energy that you have. And that will affect your performance. So all of these things are connected. And so by doing this, by taking active prevention to stop the blue light from affecting your performance, you basically get all these benefits. So first, you get better sleep. The blue light that you're used to seeing will not bother you if you turn on the settings, and it will basically help you fall asleep better. Because of better sleep, you will have more energy throughout the day. So by having more energy, you will be able to perform better and have a high quality performance. And because of that, you'll have less mood swings and you will be able to lead by logic instead of your emotions. So these are all benefits that you can take with you immediately by just downloading this app, setting it and forgetting it, basically, which I forgot to mention actually. It's a great thing to just set it and forget it and know that your eyes and your sleep and your performance will not be affected by it. So if you like this video and if you didn't know about it, but you know about it now and you want to share this with someone, and if you liked and got value from it, click on the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this, not just for the guidebook, but also just in general how you can take full advantage of your space and your time, click on that subscribe button because I'll be posting more and uploading more videos like this in the future. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.